but you deserve to hear the sound of the beasts. It looks so cool. Ndemare! I can't believe I'm gonna start the car. God damn. Welcome back to a new video with my friend and the battery. As you saw in the last video, we had an issue and my options were either to call a tow truck, but it would cost a lot, or use my insurance. But I just don't want to wait that long, so I decided to buy a new battery that I'll install right now. So as I'm walking, I'm hoping that it's gonna fix all the issues and that I won't have any problem with the alternator. Let's hope for the best. All right, we finally made it to the car. Ooh, it was about a mile. It was about a mile away. This is the warranty. Thank you so much. My friend told me to get a Varta instead of Bosch. Oof, it's scorching. All right, let's go. Ooh, there's a motorcycle. Go, 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 go. See him? All right, guys. So I'm on my way to pick up the guy who helped me the first day, the one that brought the battery. I'm gonna pick him up so he could install this one. I'm pretty sure I could do it myself, but I don't have any tools. So this is the ocean. And usually my city is not that packed, but it's just during the summertime. July, August is crazy packed. Tourists come here. This is the crew. They're filming, sorry guys, a movie called Vincere e Vinceremo. Win and we'll win. That's the title. Correct me if I'm wrong. You know what? I'll show you where the car died on me. It was right here. I'll show you right now. I really like this place. If you guys want to vlog about this place called the Portuguese something, Cité Portuguese. Yeah, so the car stopped right here and it kept rolling. So yeah guys, if you want to vlog about the Portuguese tank, I'll be more than happy to do it. And if you don't know Gad, I love Gad. He makes me laugh. Captain America, yes! I just called the guy. He's a little bit busy right now. He said he's working on a car, but in about an hour I'll go pick him up and I'll show you how to remove the battery and install the new one. See you. So an hour later I'm gonna go pick him up. His name is Hassan. It's just that all these streets, they look the same, so I hope I don't pick the wrong one. All right guys, let's go. Go, go, go. I gotta take this one. This one is coming. Complicated. Welcome to Morocco. Ooh la la. vlogging and driving. So yeah, he's gonna be right here. This is his shop. This one here. Boom. We're back to the garage. Let's see how to remove a battery. Eden. خاصكم اللونين كيتحيدوا. اوكي.
شي صغيرة.
La référence 80-800. I hear some noises, and my friend was telling me that it's super important that the battery is well maintained in its place, because if, let's say, you're driving and it slides and it would touch this part, it would cause a short circuit. It looks so cool. Ndemare! I can't believe I'm gonna start the car. God damn. Bueno, first attempt, it didn't work. Let's see now. Mercedes Benz. Feels normal. Sounds normal. Let's finish the video. I love this sound. Whoa, the most. The V8, baby. And this is how you replace the cover. هادوك دابا تما يقدروا بحال اللي يتحكوا ويعاودوا يتسبقوا ولا هاد ولا بلاش كيبرزطني انا بحال هادشي كتبغي ديما الطوموبيل تبقى مزيان ولكن جديده لوميديتي يا ثانك يو سو ماتش I need to clean this. There's some rust here. I use the W40. دابا clean. Oh, دابا super nice. صافي غير هاد الجنيبه هنا باش تكون بارفي. Alright, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in another video. So we could take the car. I gotta go take it to do the inspection. Thank you all for the comments, the likes, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. A breeze. Okay, so it's not a cold start, but you deserve to hear the sound of the beasts.